an important message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency and NASA. As of 7:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the sun began to turn into a bright blood red color for an unexplained cause. It is believed that some kind of meteorological event is taking place at this time. NASA expects for this event to continue until further notice, and also advises civilians to not view this event with We interrupted regular scheduled programming due to an emergency that is currently taking place across the United States and the rest of the world. The President of the United States is unfortunately not able to make a message to the American people, and his representatives are in the same situation too. Big changes are coming, everyone. Please stand by for this message from the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global state of emergency now exists. The outside world has become extremely dangerous to all life. The air has suddenly become extremely toxic to all life. The toxic chemicals are unknown to scientists, but scientists do know that there is no possible way to get healthy air back. The air will forever be toxic and deadly to all life. The air had become toxic about 5 minutes ago, and it is going to stay that way forever according to scientists, as well as the CDC. It is unknown how the air suddenly turned toxic, but all residents across the planet are ordered to shelter in place immediately. Please follow these instructions on how to shelter in place for the current situation. Get indoors immediately, lock all doors and windows, turn off heating and air conditioning systems, close all fireplace dampers, seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. Get into your basement, if you have one. Shut off all electricity in your home. Do not go outside unless if you need to restock on supplies. If you need to restock on supplies, wear a strong gas mask to prevent inhalation of the air. A better alternative is to order supplies on Amazon, and it will take up to 2 weeks for your supplies to be delivered. Do not panic, and gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, wireless chargers, gas masks, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio for the duration of this emergency, which is said to be lasting forever. Supplies are extremely limited at this time, and even with a gas mask, going outside is extremely dangerous, so it is best to order supplies online. Only go outside with a gas mask to get supplies only as a last resort. Even then, being outside is extremely dangerous at this time. This will not end. Shelter in place forever, and do not go outside ever. Emergency update. Gas masks have been proven to be ineffective with the toxic air, and people who have tried to go outside with gas masks on, they still died. Gas masks won't work. Do not go outside, even if you're restocking on supplies, or if it's an emergency. Going outside is deadly. God, it's 3 a.m.